So this is the camper the tree fell on. They got to redo the front cap, the roof, and the siding, and they took the side off. Anything exciting to tell me about it, Ed?
Nothing so far.
Nothing so far? Wow, you can see everything.
He's just about down to bare bones.
Wow, you're not kidding, it's down to bare bones. This is what your camper looks like without the skin. You weren't kidding, Kyle. You guys got it all the way down to bare bones.
Partly. We got a lot more to take off still.
Well,
The nose here, it's all coming off.
It'll be like
It's
brand
gonna look
new
like the
when
side.
we're done.
Yep. Better than new.
Better than new, that's right.
better than new.
Better than new.
Well, keep up the good work.